Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning letter J. Today we'll be learning letter J. J for jar. So this is capital letter J and this is small letter J. Okay. So let's start tracing capital letter J. Standing line, make a curve and then small sleeping line. Standing line, make a curve and small sleeping line. Then next there will be a small J, standing line, make a curve and make a dot here, give a dot here. That is a small letter J. Say the names of the pictures that begin with J sound and color them. Say the names of the pictures that begin with J sound and color them. So now this is J for jacket, J for jeep, J for jeep, J for jacket. So let's start coloring with crayon color. Use your crayon color to color this jacket, okay? So like this we have complete coloring the J for jacket, and in the same way we are going to color the jeep, J for jeep. So here I am using the sky blue color to color the jeep, J for jeep. Let's start coloring. So this is how we have colored the J for Jeep. So now we'll learn how to trace and write the letter J for Jeep. So now here there is J for jellyfish, J for jam. So first we are going to make a standing line, then continue with a half curve and small sleeping line. This is how how the letter J. Once again we'll do standing line, curve and then sleeping line. This is letter J for jellyfish, J for jam. Okay, then once again starting from the green dot, standing line, make a curve, then sleeping line, J for jam, standing line, make a curve, J for jar, J for jar. Again standing line, make a curve, sleeping line. So this is how we are going to write J for jellyfish. Okay, so on the next page we are going to write a small letter J. We are going to write small letter J, standing line and make a curve, and like this you have to do, standing line and make a curve. Okay, standing line and make a curve. So in this way you are going to write. So now we'll start tracing and write letter J. We'll start tracing and write letter J. So standing line, make a curve and the dot. This is small letter J. Standing line, make a curve and small dot. This is small letter J. Standing line, make a curve, small letter J. In this way we'll write standing line, make a curve and the dot, small letter J. Standing line, curve, small letter J. Standing line, curve, small letter J. Standing line and the curve, dot, small letter J. So write letter J. So we are going to write letter J, capital J and then small j. This will be your homework. Okay. So now draw boxes around J and capital J and small j, and then join them as shown. Draw boxes around capital J and small j and then join them as shown. So now draw the boxes like this. आपको J के साइड में बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना है, ऐसे, फिर ऐसे, और फिर आपको उसे ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, फिर एक बार करना है. कैसे करोगे? स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. तो आपको अभी ये कैसे ज्वाइन करोगे? ऐसे. ओके, फिर standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping. तो अभी इसको आप ऐसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. आप इसको ऐसे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते. ओके. नाउ राइट J below the pictures. Write capital J and small letter J below the pictures. So J for jam. This is capital J and small letter J. Okay. Standing line of capital J and small letter J. Capital J, small letter J. Okay. J for jellyfish. J for jacket. J for jam. J for jam.